Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today I thought it would be fun to take you along with me while I went through an Amazon haul of furniture that I got. So for Christmas, Tyler just bought me my entire Amazon cart and it just so happened to be full of furniture. So let's go along, let's get it assembled and decorated, and let me know what you think down below in the comments if you liked anything or if you had any ideas for any of the spaces that I still have left open at the end. So let's get into it. Okay, so Tyler bought my entire Amazon cart for Christmas, and it just so happened to all be furniture. So we're gonna build a few pieces and get everything organized. The first thing I'm gonna put together is the bookshelf and get all of those books taken care of, all of those books, and then all of these books, as he's frantically wrapping a Christmas present right now. Nerd. So let's get this organized into the new bookshelf. Okay, books are in and this is all done. I kind of like to just put my TBR on the bookshelf and then I just organize the best I could. I don't have a system yet. I'm kind of researching what I want to do with my books to kind of make it like an actual library. And I think eventually I'm going to get a second one of these shelves and put it to the other side and just have this be a wall of books, because I'm getting new books like every day. If I could, I would just have a whole shelf of nothing but TBR. I love to read. And then over here, got all this organized, except don't just pretend like that's not there for right now. We're still working, so just don't look at that. But look at these little cuties. Adorable. Okay, so it's like a couple of weeks after Christmas, and I got tired of taking down all the decorations. Tyler's working on a freaking puzzle right now all over the house. He's happy, so I'm happy. And I think I want to take a break from cleaning and undecorating and put together those two tables and unbox this stuff. I'm very excited for this stuff. Okay, I think I can do this. I do this for a living, so I should be able to put this little guy together. Isn't it cute? It's going to be my little table that goes under the mirror in the office. So I'm super excited to get it together and decorate it. Okay, table number 2, and I think this is actually going to be my coffee bar. I'm pretty sure that's what I ordered this for, so I think this should be okay. The other one took me I don't know, half of a Kardashian episode, so it wasn't really bad at all. And it's back here. It's ready to go outside to the office. Isn't it cute? Here's that longer table, and here it is with everything else beside there. Those are all the Amazon packages I'm fixing to open. But I think it looks so cute, and I need to get a ton of stuff to style it and make it really adorable. I definitely need to get something to go down there. Maybe I'll move that bread bowl down there. I don't know, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. And it's actually a pretty sturdy little piece of furniture. Okay, first package. What do we got in here? What is this? Okay, let me open this. These are literally box cutters that I ordered for our business, so. Okay, second box is much better. So here's the coffee maker, and I think these are my coffee cups and maybe spoons. Let's get it open and see. Okay, here are my coffee cups. I'm so excited. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, and these are thick too. Oh, I love these. Here are my stirring spoons. I went with gold. I felt like it matched the theme really well. These are super cute. Then here's my little single cup coffee maker. Oh, I got that really easy. Whoop, whoop. Ah, not my cups. She's just a little guy. So cute. I like that it came with a little reusable K-Cup, but for coffee grounds, so I don't have to just keep buying K-Cups and it's so much trash. So this is much better. And here's my little fridge. It's like I think it's 15 liters, so it's gonna be a pretty good size, especially just for putting like my oat milk and my water or soda, whatever, in there. So let me get this all the way unboxed because I have a feeling it's a ton of styrofoam in there, and then I'll show you the entire coffee bar. Okay, I am angry. Why didn't I see this one whenever I was shopping for this thing? This one is, I think I got white. I think I got white to go with my white coffee maker, but that is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and there it is, all finished. So unfortunately the fridge does stick out a little bit, like you can see here on the side. But I don't know, I feel like that actually kind of makes it easier to open the door a little bit, so I'm not totally mad at it. And these two things on top, so I got this and this at Hobby Lobby, like during their 60 or whatever their final sale is for Christmas. That's when I got these. And I'm gonna find something cute to put on the bottom there and something to put my spoons in, but this was a really good first step into getting my coffee bar in here. So there it is. First, we have to get all of this taken care of and out of the way. Cameo of Pecos working on a craft for another video. If you're interested in what he's doing, stay tuned for the next video. Okay, first things first, I'm going to get these boards as similarly stained as possible. Okay, so first coat of stain, possibly last coat of stain is on. And I'm using Special Walnut by Varathane. So I'm sure you saw that this little board was stained already, a lighter coat of the Special Walnut, and I think it actually might have been Minwax that I used for this before. So I just kind of added a light coating of this, just kind of what was left on my rag here, and it actually got pretty close. So I think I'm going to call that good. And I'm not worried about any of the stamping that's on here. This side's going to be on the bottom, so you're not going to see that. And we're working inside today because it's 17 degrees outside, so I'm not going to be sanding any of this. Okay, so now that this area is more cleaned out, we're gonna just add these brackets and then we're gonna hang the shelves up.
Okay, I'm definitely Cheyenne, and here, that was Pecos laughing. So here's the second shelf in, and I think it looks so amazing. I'm so excited to do the third one and see what it finally looks like.
Okay, so my bag and shoe closet is all organized. And this is one of the bookcases that Tyler bought me for my Amazon cart. I just went ahead and used it in here instead of for all of the books because I desperately needed somewhere to put all of this stuff. Just wasn't working out in my little closet. So this is all done and I'm absolutely in love with it. It just is gonna be so much easier to just go grab my shoes, grab my bag, even get packed whenever I go on the road. It's just gonna be much, much better. Okay, and that is the Amazon haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel and it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe and share this with your friends. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time.